Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Figma files editable. To begin, open the Figma file you wish to share. Look for the blue Share button located in the top right corner of your interface. Clicking this button will open a dialog box where you can manage access. This is your first step to granting others the ability to collaborate on your designs, ensuring everyone has the correct level of interaction. Once the Share dialog is open, you have two main options. You can invite specific people by typing their email addresses into the field provided. Alternatively, you can generate a shareable link. Crucially, ensure you select Can Edit from the drop-down menu next to their name or the link option. This grants them full permission to modify the file, unlike Can View, which only allows observation. Understanding file ownership is key to managing editable files. The original creator of a Figma file is typically its owner, holding ultimate control. If you need to transfer this responsibility, you can do so through the Share settings. Select the new owner from your collaborators and choose Make Owner. This ensures continuity and proper management, especially for long-term projects or when team roles change. If a collaborator is having trouble editing, there are a few quick checks. First, confirm they've accepted the invitation and that their permission is explicitly set to Can Edit. Sometimes, a simple refresh of the browser or desktop app can resolve minor glitches. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable. Clear communication with your team about access expectations can prevent many common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.